What's going on, guys? It's been a year since I made a video about Topstep, so I wanted to hop on and talk about the key changes since last year and go over what you can expect. The key differences I'm going to highlight in this video, the main changes are that you can now have 5 instead of 3 accounts. It's still a one-step combine. They do have faster payouts now, and they cut the amount of days to pass in half, so that's good. They also introduced their own trading platform, but I'm going to go over which platform you should be using and why in a little bit. So an important note, as someone who has received payouts from Topstep myself, I can say it feels great. Super cool, your hard work gets paid off, but you need to understand that prop firms are really a means to an end and are not the end game. What I mean by that is that your ultimate goal should be to use a prop firm like Topstep to learn how to trade, develop a system, and hone your skills, learn to manage risk to get payouts, and eventually fund your own personal account. It's so nice trading your own capital with no stipulations or restrictions. Prop firms don't reward gamblers, they review your trades, and some traders get caught off guard sometimes when they get denied. But if you're not out to game them, then you'll be fine. And gaming the system basically means you're trading in a way in which you would never do in your live account. So if you're not full porting max contracts on CPI, you're fine. Alright guys, let's go over the differences for this year. One of the main ones being now is it's 2 days to pass. It used to be 4, so you can pass in 2 days. And I think there's a consistency rule, so it's 50%, so you can only make $1,500 a day. And I think the consistency rule still applies to your funded account. So keep that in mind, but $1,500 a day, 2 days in a row, and you can pass. And they're still running this $49 a month. They started this last year, and they're still doing it, so I think they're trying to be competitive with price. It's still pretty cheap. A few years ago, it used to be over $100 to do the combine. And then the maximum loss limit is $2,000. Now keep in mind, the old rule used to be that if you lost $1,000 in a day, you've broken a rule and you had to reset the account. It's not the case anymore. If you lose $1,000 in a day, you haven't blown the account. You can't trade anymore. It locks you out, and then you can come back the next day and you still have $1,000 of space left, and you can try again. So you only blow the account and would have to reset or wait till your rebill if your total account goes down $2,000 over more than one trading day. And then this is 3K for the 100K and then $4,500 for the 150. So keep that in mind. They're still doing their $150 activation fee. It's a one-time fee, same as Apex. Apex has that $80 a month thing, so you can kind of save money if you wanted to, but it's $80 monthly, or it's still $150 activation fee. And you can trade 5 accounts now. So that's a change. It used to be 3, now it's 5. So if you want to trade multiple accounts, you can do that on Topstep too, up to 5. And then their payout policy is 5 winning days of $200 to earn your payout. This is not consecutive. So if you make $200 2 days in a row, and then you lose $100 on the 3rd day, and then you make $200 on the 4th and the 5th day, you can get a payout. It does not have to be $200 back to back, just 5 days total. So it doesn't matter the order. You can win 1 day and then lose 5 days and then win 4 days, and you're good. So keep that in mind. Just 5 winning trade days, no order, and you can get your payout. And they do fast payout processing. I can confirm this. They are pretty quick with the payout processing. So they're pretty fast payouts. They're probably the fastest in the industry. So each prop firm kind of has like a trade-off between their cost and their rule set. Like Apex has the unrealized trailing drawdown, makes it harder. Topstep has a realized trailing drawdown, so that means that your drawdown is calculated at the end of the day, not in real time. And I think that's a plus because that's how you would trade in a real account. And the next big update is they added this Topstep X trading platform. So I believe this is like I think that's probably like a white label trading platform. They have their own trading platform with Topstep's name on it. So you can trade anywhere on a PC or a Mac. I haven't used this yet. I'm going to talk about my platform after the screen share in a second. But it's got I can just zoom in on it. It's got a simple DOM, order book, quotes, buy market, sell market, your lot size, and a trading view chart. So it's a pretty simple platform. I think the main thing with this is that commission-free trading on this. So where's that at? Okay, here we go. So Topstep X, it's charts from TradingView. I don't know what the tilt indicator is. You have a built-in trade copier, so if you want to trade 5 accounts, it's built in, and then you can live stream. I guess it's connected to Topstep TV. So I was on Topstep TV, fun fact, last October. I was one of the first traders, I think, to go on there. But Hogues had me on. It was a good little talk we had. And I think commission-free trading that's the thing. It's like, why would you use Topstep X? I believe it's because it's commission-free trading. So they're not charging you commissions. Obviously, of course, you're in a sim account, so there are no commissions to be had. But they add up quick, even on the evaluation accounts, depending on how much you trade. So that would be like the gimmick or the pull to, I guess, to get you into Topstep X, would be that there's free commission trading. So if you are a beginner, this looks like a pretty simple platform. It might be something good for you to try out. Now, I haven't used their Topstep X platform, and if you're a beginner, then it's a good place to start, but the platform I use is called MotiveWave. It works on PC or Mac. If you're new to my channel, then I prefer Macs. We don't have to get into the whole PC-Mac debate. They're both good, but MotiveWave is a seriously good professional-grade trading platform, and it has a fantastic trade copier, which is important when you're trading multiple accounts at the same time. It has a super customizable DOM, a depth of market, and if you're going to take trading seriously, you should be using a depth of market because that's the main thing that the pros use. Go look at any video on a trading floor on Wall Street. That ladder, that price ladder that you see, that's a depth of market. They're not even looking at charts. I mean, there's people that make tons of money and they don't look at candlestick charts. But once you start using the DOM, you can really see how price is moving, and a candlestick chart kind of becomes obsolete. But I use both. I also use volume profiles and footprint charts, and the Delta footprint specifically has a dedicated screen on my desk. Now, if you want to see my desk setup, I did a whole video about it. I went over everything. I'll put a card up here in the corner, and you can check that out and see what I got going on back here. There'll be a link for a 14-day trial to MotiveWave. You can try it out for free, and also the link to sign up for Topstep is down there in the description. They haven't sponsored this video or anything. I'm just an affiliate. But let me know what you guys think about Topstep these days in the comments, and I will see you in the next one.